In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock LinkedIn profile. If you want to make your LinkedIn profile less visible to the public, the good news is that this is very quick to do. What we're really doing here is turning off your public profile visibility, which helps limit what people can see when they're not signed into LinkedIn or when they find your profile through search engines. To get started, open LinkedIn and go directly to your profile page. Make sure you're viewing your own profile, since the setting we need is accessed from there. Once you're on your profile, take a moment to look near the top section of the page where your profile details are shown. From here, find the pencil icon connected to the public profile and URL area and click it. This icon takes you into the settings for how your profile appears publicly. If you don't notice it right away, look around the profile header or settings area associated with your public profile link. LinkedIn sometimes adjusts its layout slightly, but the option is usually easy to spot once you're in the right section. After clicking the pencil icon, you'll be taken to the public profile settings page. On this page, look for the section labeled Your Profile's Public Visibility. This is the key setting that controls whether your profile can be viewed publicly outside of LinkedIn's more private member experience. Now simply turn that setting off. Once you disable public visibility, your profile will no longer be publicly accessible in the same way it was before. This is the step that effectively locks your LinkedIn profile from public view. It's a useful option if you want more privacy or if you'd prefer that only LinkedIn users with the appropriate access can see your information. As a quick tip, after switching it off, give the page a second to update and make sure the setting stays disabled. In most cases, LinkedIn saves the change automatically, so you usually won't need to click a separate save button. And that's it. You started on your LinkedIn profile, click the pencil icon for public profile and URL settings, and turned off your profile's public visibility. Once that's done, your profile is much more restricted from public access. If you found this helpful, you can use the same settings area later if you ever want to make your profile public again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.